A pool serves as an exquisite addition to any home, offering a sanctuary of fun and relaxation for the entire family. Beyond its recreational appeal, a pool enhances property value and contributes to the overall aesthetics of a residence. However, the maintenance of conventional pools, especially amidst heavy summer usage, can incur significant costs. For those seeking a harmonious blend of nature and recreation, natural pools present an appealing alternative. Natural pools utilize a unique filtration system, employing aquatic plants to purify water naturally, eliminating the need for chemical interventions. This method relies on a delicate balance of aquatic plants and microorganisms to maintain water quality without causing harm. Despite the initial higher investment, the long-term maintenance costs of natural pools are surprisingly lower than traditional alternatives, and their organic appearance seamlessly integrates with outdoor spaces. Benefits of natural pools. Chemical-free bliss. Natural pools bid farewell to the reliance on harsh chemicals such as chlorine, pH regulators, algicides, and other potentially harmful substances. The absence of these chemicals ensures a safe and irritation-free swimming experience for the entire family. Chemical-free water also alleviates concerns about skin rashes, eye irritations, and respiratory problems that may be triggered by traditional pool chemicals. Eco-friendly water conservation. Unlike traditional pools that demand significant water usage during backwashing and lose water to evaporation and splashing, natural pools promote water conservation. In regions facing water scarcity, the reduced water wastage becomes a crucial consideration. By embracing natural pools, homeowners contribute to the global effort to conserve water resources while enjoying a sustainable swimming experience. Low maintenance costs. The simplicity of natural pools translates into lower maintenance costs. Occasional tasks such as pruning aquatic plants, removing floating debris, and vacuuming the pool bottom are all that is needed to keep it in optimal condition. In contrast, traditional pools often require professional maintenance services to retain their vibrant appearance and chemical balance. The natural pool's self-sustaining ecosystem minimizes the need for frequent interventions. Eco-friendly ecosystem. Natural pools create a harmonious environment that supports local ecosystems. The presence of rocks and plants not only enhances visual appeal but also provides a habitat for various aquatic life. This eco-friendly approach contributes positively to the surrounding environment, making natural pools a dual benefit for homeowners and the ecosystem alike. Property value and aesthetic appeal. Beyond personal enjoyment, natural pools serve as an investment that enhances property value. The presence of a serene water feature, surrounded by rocks and plants, creates an aesthetically pleasing environment. Think of it as having a small, sustainable lake within your property, adding a touch of tranquility and visual charm throughout the year. Durability and longevity. Natural pools boast durability and longevity, requiring fewer replacements or repairs compared to their conventional counterparts. The low-maintenance nature of these pools ensures an extended lifespan, allowing homeowners to enjoy their tranquil oasis for years without the stress and worry associated with traditional pool ownership. In conclusion, the embrace of natural pools transcends the conventional notions of pool ownership. Beyond providing a recreational space, natural pools align with ecological principles, offering a chemical-free, water-conserving, and visually appealing alternative to traditional pools. The initial investment in creating a natural pool proves to be a wise choice in the long run, as it minimizes maintenance costs and contributes positively to both the homeowner's well-being and the broader environment. With the myriad benefits they bring, natural pools stand as a testament to the harmony achievable between human recreation and nature's resilience.